currently 6 o'clock in the morning. I will never get late with... Oh! Shucks, what just happened there? What just happened there? Good day, guys. So, yeah. And today I'll be doing some bike vlog. Like, a little bit of bike vlog. Yeah, currently going to school right now. My bike has been fixed since yesterday, as you can see from my Twitter post. And ouch, it's quite tall. God dang it. I don't want to run on a red light. I'll go left here. Then I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Ouch. And it's so difficult to go school right here. We are not gem boys. We are not gem boy. Hindi tayo magja-gem boy ngayon. We are not going to be a gem boy because I am a disciplined biker.
Wow!
No, just kidding. Joke lang yun. So, yeah. Actually, ang smooth kaya ng ano ko. Ng pagmamaneho ngayon. Ang problema lang, I'm sorry, I'm supposed to be speaking English. I mean, sure, I'll be speaking English, but some of which might be Tagalog. So, it's always good to record from my daily biking routine because you never know what will happen. I think it's about to go green light and still red light. There you go. Okay, what on earth happened here? Bro, the road suddenly changed. It's still asphalt, but it did change. Oh yeah, Oh, okay. I get it. They did change it. They literally... Oh gosh, it's smoky here. It's quite smoky. Oh, I need to go faster because that's green light. That's fucking green light. Oh, god damn it. Bro, so... Dapat nagdala pala ako ng mas dito. Sobrang usok. Sobrang usok dito. Tinanggal pala yung kalsada. Papalitan kasi ito ng bagong kalsada. Kaya pambira. Hirap na naman. So, hindi naman ako malilate.
One eternity later.
Green light. Mabilis lang yan. Green light. Green light. Red light, green light talaga. Tapos siguro sa maybe on Sunday, I will be having a bike ride with my friend. Pupunta ata kami sa dediretso namin Intramuros and then we'll go at maybe somewhere in Pasig. No, Pasig? No, not Pasig, it's Pasay. Yeah, we'll go there in Pasay and straight to Mall of Asia. It's quite a long journey, but it would be worth it. Cavite is closed for some reason because of construction sites. going on there. The puppy. I'll do the puppy. I'll do the puppy. You know what? I'll do the puppy. It's just like this. Oh. Kakao is right beside me. Yup. That's a cup right there. I can already tell it. It's green light. There you go. You know what's the problem with me? I didn't even buy a padlock for my bike. I only bring some. Oh shit, that's yellow, and I ran through a red light, but that's fine because I'm a bicycle. I'm just kidding. Still, even if you're a bicycle, you should always follow the traffic rules here. You never know what will happen next. And here I go. Here. Going straight to Recto Avenue. It's green light and now it's turning red. That's quite fast. I think I'm flat. Am I flat? No, I'm not flat. We're not checkpoint. We're not checkpoint. We're not checkpoint. Just wait for the red light. We're not checkpoints. It does. God dang. Overtake tayo. Let's go overtake. Peep peep. It's not smooth here, so yeah, squeeze through. Squeeze through. Let me squeeze through that hole. It's just like a double meaning hole in here. Ambulance right on my left side. 11 o'clock. It's green light. We could go straight. We could go straight. Oh gosh, that's quite nasty. Let me fix that. Let me fix my camera. There you go. My camera is now fixed. Yep. The camera is still fixed though, so no worries. Ah, it's quite dark. Squeeze through, squeeze through. We are running to the green light. Let's go. I hope you guys I hope you guys could hear me due to this a lot of noise. But I'm pretty much sure that you guys would hear me. Would or could. I don't know. It's just my English grammar sucks. But I'm planning on making it more, you know, grammarly correct. But it might be difficult for me. So yeah. Red light. I don't have a freaking stand, but I'm planning on buying one. So that won't be an issue. Oh, it's green light, it's green light, it's green light, it's green light. I don't have any switching gears. I'm stuck on I'm stuck on the second lane, and then no. Oh man. I guess we'll wait.
A few moments later.
It's green light. Signal. We're going right, and then stop signaling. There you go. Okay, as a biker, when you are going, if you are going to turn around, use your signal hand. Okay, always remember that. So I just use my right signal hand, so indicating that I'm going right. I'm going at the right lane. No, not the right side of the lane. There you go. Yeah. It's currently 6 o'clock in the morning. I will never get late with. Oh, shucks, what just happened there? I will never get late with. Oh, shucks, what just happened there? What just happened there? Aha. Bangka. Aga-aga banggaan. Ay nako. Kitang-kita. Kitang-kita sa ano ko yun. Hindi na ako makikialam dyan, ha? Hindi ako makikialam dyan kasi wala pa naman ako experience dyan. Bata pa lang ako, kaya mind your own business. I will just mind my own business here. Pero kung need naman talaga for investigation, I mean, sure, I'll cooperate. That's right, guys. mahulog. Bike lane lang. Ito ang problema sa akin, wala akong helmet. Papunta akong Quezon. Espanya Boulevard pa naman din to. Walang helmet sa Quezon. And here you go. Dito na tayo. We are now here at the school that I'm attending. Last Tuesday or Wednesday, kahapon lang, nilalakad ko to. And now, nakabisikleta na ako. So fun. Yeah. Ang bigat. Oh shucks, nag-twist yung ano ko.